So, hello guys. So next data structure, which is important data structures compared to other data structures, is sorted sets. So using this sorted sets, we can use n number of cases. The main example is leaderboard. So you know the leaderboard, who are the top 10 ranks, they will be listed in the leaderboards. So how is actually storing the data? What's different from these sets? Both are sets, both store only unique values. The only difference is sorted set will sort the values based on alphabetics and some other process based on scores, you can say. So here rank means index, score means we will map each score for the respective values to get, for example, whenever the player experience getting increased, we will increase the score so that we can retrieve the data so fast instead of storing in separate B and then fetching. This is a simple, easiest way to identify. Okay, so similar like sets, there are common operation here also, like adding, removing, fetching, and mathematical operations like union, intersection, differentiations, finding cardinalities of the sets. Everything is same. Okay, there are some other features also that we will discuss, like aggregations, filtrations, and ordering the results. So let's see the sorter sets commands. So you can see z add, so which is not z, which points to sorted. Okay, sorted set add, which add the member, and z count, which will give the cardinality. Z range, which helps to iterate and listing that respective sets. Range by score. I told each value will associated with score. Based on the score, we can iterate. And then Z range by lex, that I will discuss you later. Rev range is opposite iterations. Forward iteration and reverse iteration is there. Z score, which will give the scores of the respective key. And the rank, the rank is nothing but index here in the sorted sets. Is that increment by, which is nothing but you can increment the respective values. So in data analysis side, you can see diagrammatic approach, how it actually stores the data. It will take one value and then it will associate it with one scores. Okay. Based on that, it will arrange name members ordered by associated scores. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go for the practical approach, how we actually implement this, how we actually go through these commands in practical way. Okay, this is the command line interface. You already know. We connected with Redis server and then we have opened Redis CLI. So let's add some elements. First, now to add the sorted set elements, first you need to give key. So I already told the players experience, which is a good idea for the sorted sets. So first you have to give is score and members. So you can give respective score like John, he has no experience. Uh, Rom, he also don't have experience. Max. So these three people don't have any experience at initial time. So if you see the count, how much people are there, you can see players experience 0 minus 1. Okay. So Z, okay, add players experience. Okay. So if you want to add one more people in the same set means you have to give the same Z add with key name and also give one more like Nax. He's one of the players too. So now I want to list it. So how to list it? So players XP 0 to minus 1. So this is a listing. I want to reverse the list by using the rev range. Yeah, I reverse the based on the scores, it will be sorted. No need to think more. Okay, so I want to know the rank of the respective index of the respective member means just give the key, players experience, and member. So ROM. So here's the index 3. How I say here is, if you see here, 0th index is John, 1 index Max, 2 index is Max, 4th index is ROM. Okay. Now I want to increase that um, their experience. I want to increase the experience of ROM. So that particular time, I have to give how much increase? I have to increase the 100 points to the member ROM. So now if you list, okay, sorry, not range. Okay, I can see with scores also. So it will help you in understanding more. Yes, if you see John, everyone, so everyone is sorted out properly, and then his score got increased. I want to list list the sets based on the scores. So for that particular time, I will have to just give by score. That's it. Just an empty array. So what's wrong? Let's see. 0 with scores. Sorry, with scores one thing players experience. Yes, sorry. Actually, here minus one won't work out because it will reversing the index and then scoring basis. So what I have to do is this is the score value 0 to 10 scores, not the minus one. Okay, or 0 to 100 scores. It will go more than that one. So RAM comes into the 100 one. So if you go to 90, RAM won't come. So range by rank. So based on index means I want all the index rank. Um, Spell limit out count players 0 minus 1. Okay, leave range by score. Yeah, leave range by score, it will give opposite directions. I mean, descending order way. XP 0 minus 1. See, they are coming in reverse order. So actually, I should not give like this. I should give like this. Yeah, everybody will be listed in descending order ways. So what's command we need to check means so range score, rank, okay, everything we have discussed. So if you want to know more about those commands, you can visit Redis websites. It will help you. I will add those attachments in this document.